Hello and welcome everyone to the great award ceremony of World Education Summit. I, Harshal Desai, on behalf of Elets Technomedia Private Limited, welcome you all to this wonderful award ceremony at the fourth day of World Education Summit, which is being organized by the Digital Learning Magazine and Elets Technomedia Private Limited. We have Dr. Ravi Gupta, the CEO and Editor-in-Chief at Elets Technomedia Private Limited with us in this award ceremony. We are very glad to inform you all that all these 4 days have been very amazing for us. We got a good response from key stakeholders from all the sectors, from the complete ecosystem of education on this virtual platform. Most of you are already aware that World Education Summit is one of the prominent event that we organize every year. And in the times of COVID-19, in the times of pandemic, we have been able to organize this event very successfully on virtual platform as well. I request Dr. Ravi Gupta for the welcome address before we start this World Education Summit award ceremony formally. Over to you, Dr. Ravi Gupta.
Namaskar everyone, I am Ravi Gupta. I am CEO and founder of Elets Technomedia Private Limited. Elets is a 17-year-old media and research organization, and we have been publishing unique magazines like Digital Learning, Banking and Finance Post, eGov and eHealth, which are unique in their own sectors. We have been promoting the concept of innovations in education, innovation in banking, innovation in governance, and innovation in health. And we have been saying that innovation is key for development of the country and development of any nation globally. And we have been fostering the culture of innovations through organizing several conferences, both physical and virtual. And World Education Summit is the biggest conference organized by Elets. Uh, it has been organized in Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad in India. And outside India, it has been organized in Dubai, Bahrain, Denver. And satellite events of World Education Summits have been organized in Thailand, uh, Malaysia, Dhaka, and Sri Lanka, and several other countries. Today, I am proud to welcome all the award winners of World Education Summit, and also uh, uh, I welcome our delegates who are watching us on the platform Avatar. Avatar is a 3D platform created and conceptualized by Elets team. In these times of COVID, when the physical events stopped, we uh, create this platform where our delegates are able to experience the whole conference and expo and award sessions in a virtual seamless environment. With this, I welcome all our eminent award winners, delegates, and also I wish to thank all our esteemed speakers who joined from India and from all over the globe and created this biggest higher education conference globally. So with this, I thank again. And I hand over to Harshal for the proceedings.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gupta, for guiding the entire digital learning team to create this wonderful knowledge platform. We are really proud that through World Education Summit, we have been able to bring together the key stakeholder under one platform and actually create true knowledge sharing platforms. And this is the 18th edition, which itself is a testimonial how successful our program have been. We are thankful to all the partners also who have supported us in this journey, all the speakers who were there in this 4 day program, and the delegates who not just from India but the delegates also from across the world who attended our program, especially from Dubai, Thailand, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Singapore. We are thankful to everyone who have helped us in making this program a successful one. Now, the World Education Summit Awards, as you all know, we had invited a number of invited nominations under a number of categories, and it has been our attempt and our effort to recognize all the good, remarkable things which are happening in within happening in different educational institutes, and remarkable things and efforts which are being undertaken by different personalities in the education domain. And to recognize these efforts, we organize the award WS Awards with every WES conference and expo. So we are going to now start the formal start of the award ceremony. We are going to start it now, and these awards will be presented by Dr. Ravi Gupta, the person who has been the torchbearer and the person who has supported all the digital learning initiatives and guided us in making this program successful one. The first award, with this, we'd like to announce the first award, which is being presented to the Department of Higher Education, Government of Uttar Pradesh, under the category of Uttar Pradesh Higher Education Digital Library. And we are very glad to welcome Dr. Amit Bharadwaj, Director Higher Education at Directorate of Higher Education, Government of Uttar Pradesh, and Mr. A.P. Singh, Additional State Informatics Officer and Senior Technical Director at National Informatics Center.
Thank you so much. Would you?
Thank you so much, sir, and many congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Before you say something, I would like to tell all our audience that the Department of Higher Education, Government of Uttar Pradesh, under the able leadership of dynamic Chief Minister Shri Yogi Nath ji, and Deputy Chief Minister Dr. Dinesh Sharma, and also Srimati Monica S. Garg, who is Additional Chief Secretary, Department of Higher Education. They have implemented one of the ambitious projects called Uttar Pradesh Higher Education Digital Library. The digital library was launched on 20th October 2020 to facilitate students of universities and affiliated colleges to access quality study material for free. More than 68,000 e-contents are currently available for 180 disciplines in this digital library, and more will be uploaded in future. So, many congratulations to Government of Uttar Pradesh, and over to you, sir, for your remark.
It's a matter of great pleasure that I have received this award on behalf of Department of Higher Education, Government of UP. Actually, the idea of creating this digital library was originated in the mind of our ACS, Ma'am Monica S. Garg, who really performed it. And it was, as I told you in the morning, we could get it done within a record time of 3 months, 3 weeks. So it was all because of the inspiration of our respected ACS ma'am, Mrs. Monica S. Garg. I don't know whether she has joined at this time or not, but really the award goes to her actually. And of course we are working under the able patronship of CM Yogi Adityanath ji, and and also under the patronship of Deputy CM Shri Dinesh Sharma ji. And as a team, I can say we shall win many more awards if we keep on doing like this. Thank you so much. And really, the award goes to Mrs. Monica S. Garg, who really inspire us to keep doing things like this. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Dr. Amit.
Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bharadwaj, and congratulations to the Department of Higher Education, Government of Uttar Pradesh, for this